This is going to be a real quick one because it's such a simple item. I recently switched over from Dean's on most of my rigs to XT60, and I was doing a lot of soldering. So I picked up this guy. It's a soldering buddy. And for ages I've been thinking about buying one, and I was going to get an OmniFixo, which is one of the real popular ones, but then this come up as an offer on AliExpress, and it was just it was like under a tenner delivered. And that you can't beat that. Like, I may link to the OmniFixo if you want to support one of the guys that came up with stuff like this, but this is just so simple, and the quality of the clips and stuff really, really good. It's made my workflow for soldering so much easier, and it's nice and heavy, really, really durable. The clips feel really, really good quality, and when they've got hold of something, they've really got hold of it. And as well, sorry for the camera zooming in and out there, it's got a really decent felt pad on it and a good bit of weight to it. Now, when I usually solder on a silicon mat because it's sort of fireproof, and it just helps things to not move about. When this felt pad is up against a silicon mat, it just doesn't move. Like, it's not going to move there when you're soldering, but on a silicon mat, this thing is really anchored down. If you're into RC or fiddling with electronics of any kind, I can really recommend this. Sincerely recommend this solder buddy. It's really good. Oh, and this, if you're interested in seeing the Mantis, this is a Team Revolt Mantis, like cheetah rig build. If you're interested in seeing that, I'm going to be filming with it Sunday, so make sure you're subscribed for that one. Remember, guys, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.